हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज डॉक्टर समन। वेलकम टू फ्रंटल लोब। तो आज कुछ हेमेटोलॉजी से हो जाए। तो द टॉपिक वी हैव टेकन इज हीमोफीलिया. सो लेट्स लर्न अ फ्यू इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट अबाउट हीमोफीलिया. सो हीमोफीलिया इज पॉइंट नंबर 1. It is the most common hereditary clotting factor disorder. It is most common hereditary clotting factor disorder. Point number 2, the inheritance of this disorder is X-linked recessive. Please remember it is X-linked recessive. So it is found only in males. Please remember hemophilia is found only in males because X-linked recessive inheritance है. Point number 3, दो तरह के हैं, hemophilia A and hemophilia B. So hemophilia A is due to deficiency of factor 8. Right? And hemophilia B is due to deficiency of factor 9. So A 8, B 9. So what will happen if we talk about investigation? So APTT will be prolonged. APTT will be prolonged, and if you want to do specific assay, factor assay, then specific factor assay, the levels will be reduced. So to diagnose hemophilia A, if the patient is suffering from hemophilia A, the levels of factor 8 will be reduced. If the patient is suffering from hemophilia B, the levels of factor 9 will be reduced. So that is how we diagnose. What is severe hemophilia? The question they ask, what is severe hemophilia? So if the level of factor is less than 1%, if the level of factor is less than 1%, in hemophilia A, level of factor 8 less than 1%, severe hemophilia. In case of hemophilia B, where factor level less than 1%, then it is severe hemophilia. So what is the treatment? Treatment is replacement therapy. So we give specific treatment. In case of hemophilia A, we give factor 8, and in case of hemophilia B, we give factor 9.